You probably already saw the news. Bethesda just dropped an official letter and every gamer is talking about it right now. Todd Howard confirmed that Fallout 5 is officially in pre-production. Plus, they are making full remakes of Fallout 3 and New Vegas. And the coolest part, yeah, Obsidian is actually coming back to make a brand new Fallout game. When I first read these headlines, I was super excited. It sounded like a perfect plan, but then I decided to look a bit deeper. I read some articles in the gaming media, and I realized one thing. Behind all these beautiful promises there is a massive corporate drama. We are talking about mass layoffs, cancelled projects, and even lawsuits. Most gaming channels just read the headlines and started celebrating. But I wanted to see what is actually going on behind the scenes. And today I want to talk about it, because the real story here is wild. Let's start with something many gamers don't even know. A few years ago, Microsoft bought Bethesda for a huge amount of money. $7.5 billion. This means Xbox controls Bethesda now, and right now Xbox is facing a massive crisis. The new Xbox plans are... Thousands of people are losing their jobs right now. They got thousands of jobs, and it hit Bethesda studios really hard. People are protesting outside the offices. Unions are even suing Microsoft. Why is this happening? Well, Microsoft is currently spending billions of dollars on AI development. Because of this, they heavily cut the budget for the gaming division. By the way, if you want to know how the AI hype is destroying Xbox from the inside, let me know in the comments and I'll make a separate video about it. And this brings us to the main point. The whole industry is angry at Xbox because of these layoffs. The company's reputation is ruined. So, what do? They push Todd Howard to the front with his letter. This sudden Fallout 5 announcement is just a shield. The corporation is using good news to distract fans from the crisis and save their stock prices. Now, let's use some logic and look at the actual timeline. In his letter, Todd honestly writes that Fallout 5 is currently in pre-production. Let's translate this into plain English. It means the game's literally does not exist right now. The developers only have a basic script and a few pieces of concept art. The entire main team at Bethesda is currently busy with a completely different project. Their main focus is the Elder Scrolls 6. Todd says they play this game every day at work. But let's look at the real story. This game was announced way back in 2018, and it's been 15 long years since Skyrim came out. Yet, the game is still not ready. The past Xbox team stated that the game won't be ready until 2028. So let's do the math. If the Elder Scrolls 6 comes out in 2 years, the team will only start full production on Fallout 5 after that. Modern big games take about 5 to 7 or 6 to 7 years to make. This means we won't see Fallout 5 for another 10 or 12 years. Basically, Todd just sold us a beautiful promise for the future to calm the market right now. Now, let's look at the big news. Everyone is celebrating that Obsidian is coming back to Fallout, but nobody knows the real price of this deal. Big business media just reported that Xbox is trying to save money. So Xbox recently closed some of their best studios and dropped a bunch of cool, unique projects. Instead of letting developers create something new, they are making them work on safe and well-known brands. Xbox is focusing on their biggest brands right now. They're sending teams to work on Fallout because after the Amazon show this name is guaranteed to succeed. Honestly, it makes sense for a big company to focus on games with a huge audience. Let me know if you want a video about other cancelled Xbox projects. We have a lot to talk about. But how will they keep us busy for the next 10 years while we wait for Fallout 5? Todd has a clear answer. Instead of new big games, we're getting remakes, small DLCs and paid mods. Todd says mod creators already made $10 million. The company realized they don't need to spend money on new titles. Why make new games if players do everything and Bethesda just gets paid? Honestly, I actually feel sorry for Todd. He gets so much hate online. People call him a liar. But everyone forgets one simple thing. Yes, people love to say that the original Fallout games were made by a different team. And that's true. But Bethesda bought the brand when it was almost forgotten. Todd made the modern games that we all love. Without him we wouldn't have Fallout 3, New Vegas, Fallout 4 or the Amazon show. Is no Fallout better than waiting for a new one? For me, the choice is clear. I still respect Todd for his work, and if I have to wait another 10 or 15 years for Fallout 5, that's completely fine. I'll wait. I have plenty of things to do. I can keep going back to the good old Fallout 3, play New Vegas and swap between them every single day. I will never get tired of this atmosphere. So, what's your take on this? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe and see you next time.